Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. It has been a long time since I posted a video, and I will talk a bit more to that, I'm sure. But let me just start by letting you know about the kit. I'm using this kit by Graceful Muse Paperie. It's called New Dawn. And I picked up the mini kit version of this kit as well as some extras. So I got the deco page, the extra sheet of like date covers and headers, and then quarter boxes. And then she also included 2 extra full boxes of 2 fashion girls. And she is so fierce. I love her so much. I usually don't like using fashion girls in my spreads. I'm just not a huge fan of them, but I had to use her. She is just goals basically. And you'll see her. I put her in the sidebar. Anyway, I don't know why okay. Anyway, I'm super rusty with recording voiceovers, so please forgive me. This is gonna be probably a hot mess. I'm calling it right now. But yeah, that's that. You can already tell this is not gonna be good. Okay. Anyway, so this week I'm memory planning the week of July 4th. So Independence Day, this is the last week of June into the first week of July. As you can tell by, when I'm posting this video, I am now 3 months behind. 3 months. At first, I was 1 month behind, and then that kind of rolled into 2 months, and now being 3 months behind is just really stressing me out. Just the thought of being behind 12 weeks. It might even be 13 weeks depending on how many weeks we're in each month. But yeah, that 2 months seemed like a lot, but now 3 months just seems honestly insurmountable. And I honestly just don't know what to do. I feel like I have to skip ahead if I want to, because I'm so far behind, I just feel so stressed out about it. I'm getting almost anxiety about it. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna skip ahead. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm so sorry that I've been so far behind. And yeah, this is my first plan with me in a month that I posted it. I planned most of this spread about 4 weeks ago or a month, and I stopped on Thursday, and I didn't pick it up again until now to finish the spread. So I don't know. There's just been a lot going on, I feel like, in my life, and or I don't know, just other things have been going on with the house and the landscaping and all the remodeling stuff that we've been doing, and then just trying to enjoy what I can of the summer. Planning has just been on the back burner because of those other things. And yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know what else to really say about it, but I hope you guys can understand that I want to be making videos, I want to be planning, but sometimes just life gets in the way. I feel like most people can understand that. So, yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me here. And if you don't mind, if you could like and comment on this video, that would really help me a lot, because YouTube hates when people take long breaks like that. So I would really appreciate it if you liked and commented down below. But okay, I will get into the plan with me, I guess. But anyway, I did also want to say that I am taking the week off from work just as a staycation. So I am planning to use a lot of that time, or use some of this time to catch up in my planner. So I'm really hoping that I can get back into a more regular posting schedule. So please, again, thank you so much for bearing with me, and please know that I am trying. But okay, so I've laid down the base. I'm using a bunch of foil accents from Sadie Stickers, Honey Inked, Letters from Ballet, The Giving Girl. Yeah, I think that might be it. There's some of it, as things come up, I'll talk a bit more to them. But let's see, for the sidebar, that July script is from Graceful Muse Paperie. These scallop dividers are from Letters to Apollo, but a bunch of shops actually have the same design. And then you'll also notice, I don't know if you can really see on camera, but the kit is actually foiled in hollow. And I don't have a lot of hollow stickers, but I do have like 3 or 4 sheets of it, of hollow stickers. So I did try to pull those in as much as I could, because again, I don't use too much hollow, so this was kind of like my only opportunity to actually use them. So there's a bow and a swooshy in the sidebar that you can kind of tell right now that that's hollow. Those are both from Harriet Wright Designs. And yeah, I should also mention that I have a code to Graceful Muse Paperie. It's JustPlans1, and that will save you 15% off as well as get my freebie. I do have a new freebie for fall, and it's really pretty. It has a floral deco and a rose gold foiled like frame box. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Graceful Muse has probably one of my, like some of my favorite kits, and I just really love all the extra add-on deco sheets. You can really like mix and match the pages of the kit to be exactly what you like and need for your planning style, which I really love. She's one of the few shops that actually offers her the sheets in her kits a la carte, so you can buy like the sheets individually, or you can, buy them as like a bundle. But I really, really appreciate that flexibility. You guys know that I just love, buying less like smaller kits or less sheets of a kit, and really try to make it my own. So yeah, you'll also notice that I pulled in a bunch of foil like garlands, like string light things, that are super popular right now. The ones that I'm pulling in are from Sadie Stickers. I hauled that in my last haul, I believe. And so I really had a lot of fun pulling in those garlands as well as all the floral deco. I honestly went like really, really heavy on the floral deco because I just had so much of it from that one sheet from Graceful Muse Paperie. You might have noticed in the beginning of the video that sheet is so big. It's basically the size of a kit page, which is awesome. This like hanging bow, dangly bow, as well as the swoosh that I'm putting down, those are both from the Pretty Pink Co. I also have a code to the Pretty Pink Co. It's Justine15 to save 15% off. And then you can also get my silver foiled freebie, which is really pretty. It's actually on clear paper. So a lot of fun deco pieces on there, and also a set of lace headers. So okay, any coupon codes that I have will be listed down below. This YouTube icon is from Lilac Luna Plans. I also have a code to that shop. It'll be, again, in the description bar down below if you want to save some money. Okay, that was a whole lot of words. I just need to catch my breath now. But I pulled in the Panda Bird design laptop girls. It's been a long time since I've used those. I love them. They are gorgeous, but sometimes I can't pull them into every spread, if you know what I mean. So I took the opportunity to use them in this spread specifically because I have hollow foiled laptop girls, but I also feel like she kind of matched like the girl in the sidebar, like with the bun and the dark hair. So I just thought they kind of went together. But yeah. So I was really happy I was able to pull those in because, again, I think they are really pretty, but I'm just not able to pull them into a lot of spreads. So happy to do that with this one. Let's see. I just went so heavy on the floral. You will see like there's just so much floral deco, which I think next time I will probably go a little lighter on the floral deco and just have like hints of it here and there. I like, honestly, I feel like a flower garden threw up in my planner, but in a good way, if that even exists. But okay, anyway, what were my plans this week? I feel like it was a relatively chill week. I feel like all my weeks are. And so, oh yeah, okay. So you can tell Wednesday was pretty boring because I marked paying bills, which like I would never do normally because it's just such a boring thing to mark. But anyway, this day I did hang out with my childhood friends, my childhood best friends. We all, grew up in the same neighborhood and we're constantly together growing up. So it was really great to see them. They all like live pretty close to where we grew up, so it was I guess, I don't know, relatively easy to all get together. But anyway, we went to my friend Jenny's house and hung out in her backyard. Growing up, her house was like always the place to be. So it was just really, really great to like reminisce and just catch up with them. It had been, actually, I hadn't seen them since my friend Jenny's wedding, which was 2016. Geez, that was a long time ago. It was, yeah, it had been 5 years, I guess, since I had seen them. So anyway, it was really great to catch up. That fancy box is from Megby Makes, and that swoosh is from Panda Bird Design. All the other shops that I use there have already been mentioned, but yeah, again, really, I don't know. It was just, I feel like those are people that I'll just always be friends with, or like I'll always have this like special place in my heart. I don't just, yeah, I don't know. I'm getting too sappy there, but like even if we don't see each other for years, I mean, Jenny I see all the time because she's like one of my like best friends, but the other two I don't see them very often. But whenever we can see each other, you know, the love and friendship is still always there. So. Okay, I'll stop being sappy. Okay, so on Thursday, the first thing I marked was updating my net worth tracker, where I sum up all the value of all my assets and then subtract all the debts to obviously get my net worth. And I try to do this. I'd love to do this every month, but I definitely don't. So at the very least, I'll do it at the end of every quarter. So, or at the very, very least, I try to do it at the middle and end of every year. So this was, again, like, June going into July. So this was my like half year update. But anyway, definitely something that you should try to do. If you don't already do that, you should, knowing your net worth is always, I feel like it's such an important like tool or metric to gauge where you are in your financial journey. So yeah, yeah, just some more, again, financial advice that no one asked for. But anyway, okay, back to the stickers, which is why you're here, right? So I pulled in that printer icon is from Paper Blush Bar, and so is that YouTube icon. Just marked that I, printed and cutted some stickers. I do have like a silhouette and, sticker paper, and I don't make my own stickers too that often. I actually do have a few videos on this channel where I try to kind of go through like a how-to sort of like printing and cutting and designing stickers. So if you're interested in that, they're on my channel somewhere. But yeah, on Friday, I had a summer Friday, which is where I'm able to take a half day from work. So we took that opportunity to get some ramen at our favorite ramen spot, and it was, I'm sure, really good. I basically have the same order every single time, and it is really good. Actually, I'll tell you what my order is. It's a spicy miso ramen, and we always get some type of like appetizer. So like whether that be a pork bao or I don't know, like a potato croquette. Those are really, really good. It's like basically like a huge deep fried fry, basically, or like a hash brown kind of thing. But really yummy. It's like breaded in panko, so good. Or they also have onigiri, which is like the rice like handheld rice ball type of thing with like char siu pork in it. So super good. I actually am wanting ramen now, but yeah, love spicy miso. That's like my go-to ramen order at basically any ramen spot. After ramen, we went to Costco because, you know, love Costco, and I just watched some Bachelorette and Film to Plan with Me. Pretty chill night, but a good one also. On Saturday, I just did some laundry. I packed up a box of like things that I wanted to donate. That box icon is from White Deer Stationery, and then I just pulled a Hair Designs hollow bow on it. I know you can't see it right now, but I'm just going to talk through it because I can see my planner right now. Then we also played fetch, so I pulled in a paw print from the Giving Girl. I have a code to the Giving Girl. It's Justine10. And at the end of the night, my boyfriend told me that he had never seen Eurotrip. And I was so appalled. Like, I feel like that's such a, I mean, not that it's a great movie or anything close to being a great movie, but I feel like it's such a classic that everyone's seen. I feel like it came out when I think I was in high school-ish time frame. So, you know, once he told me that, I knew we had to watch it that night. So I just pulled in a Polaroid sticker from Miss Meow and floral deco, and then I also put a sofa chair from Crafts by Towie on there just to mark that we watched that movie, and then we also just like relaxed on the couch. Here I just switched the what is that, hanger the hanger icon with a sock icon to mark laundry. I pulled that in to Sunday to mark that we just hung up like a wall rack where we can like hang like it's just like little hooks for our coats and things by the front door. I thought the hanger was a good like representation of that. Sunday was also the 4th of July, so I just pulled in a script from Lilac Luna Plans. It is in hollow, so just of course had to pull in whatever hollow stickers that I did have. And I don't think I mentioned this, but it might be obvious that if I didn't have a hollow sticker, I pulled in silver, like because I have a lot of silver. So most of the foil in here is silver. I feel like you can easily like switch between the two. And to celebrate 4th of July, we just got some Greek food, got some ice cream, and then picked up one of our orders from Home Depot. But okay, here is the final spread. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much again for sticking with me and watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one, and it won't be too much of a wait, I promise. Okay, bye.